Alright, hello everybody. This is Police Firepix 523. And no, this is not a response video, but I am here with an unboxing video for the Uniden BCD436HP scanner that I just got today. And I'm going to do an unboxing. So, let's begin. Oh shoot, I just read part of the box. Neat little scanner thing. So what happens when you do an unboxing with one hand, folks? Oh well. Okay, so we get this cardboard here and paperwork, of course. Got a product guide, I guess. PoliceScanner401.com. An owner's manual. And here we go. So you got the scanner there, which I'm going to take out last. I want to focus on everything that's in here. So you have an SMA, or rather a BNC to SMA adapter. Oh, okay, that's very convenient. You can just pull it out. You have your rubber duck antenna. Oh, this is a belt clip. I'll take all the accessories out of the bag shortly. Come on, get out of there. Alright, wrist strap and USB cable. Here's the scanner. I'll take that out of the bag first. And finally, 3 AA rechargeable batteries. Alright, and there she is. The Uniden BCD436HP. Very nice scanner. You got your function button, and I believe this is the menu button. Got your built-in swivel belt clip there. On the side, you got your 2 ports for GPS as well as USB. This is for, actually I think you can pull this out. There we go. There they are. Multi-function knob, SMA jack, as well as 3.5mm for headphones. Alright, so here's a better look at some of the accessories. This is the belt clip. Again, it clips on the back of the scanner. Wrist strap, I already showed you that. And this is the USB cable, again for charging and programming. BNC to SMA adapter, and I have attached the antenna on the scanner itself. So that's about it in terms of the unboxing. If you guys want to see the scanner in action, visit my other channel, Scan Chicagoland. I will leave a link in the description as well as the comments below. Thank you for watching.